Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? This is a session of Grade 2 Islamia. Today we are going to complete the question answer of Unit 3b, the Holy Quran, and then inshallah we start the new lesson, that is Hijri Calendar, Unit 3c. First of all, we are going to do question answers. So open your notebooks, fill the index first, that is 15/9/2020, Unit 3b, the Holy Quran question answers. Then you open the copies, leave one page for title. Write today's date 15/9/2020 and give the heading Unit 3b, the Holy Quran question answers, on the heading line and on the another line as well, on 4 lines. Okay, now see, questions are given on page number 23. Questions are given of the lesson the Holy Quran on page number 23. Okay, so which question number 1, which book is the best book in the world? Which is the best book in the world? The Holy Quran is the best book in the world. Which book is the final book of Allah Almighty? Which is the Holy Quran is the final book of Allah Almighty. Okay, we ask these type of question in one word as well. So when we ask for in one word, you are going to just write simple the Holy Quran. Okay, no need to write the complete statement. Now move on to question number 3. What should we do before touching the Holy Quran? What should we do? We should perform wudu before touching the Holy Quran. Okay. Now question number 4. Where should we keep the Holy Quran? We should keep the Holy Quran on a high place. We should keep the Holy Quran on a high place. We never keep the Holy Quran on floor or on down. Okay. What should we read daily? We should read the Holy Quran daily. What we have to read daily? We have to read the Holy Quran daily. Okay, fine. After that, open page number 24. Unit 3c. The chapter is Hijri calendar. Okay. Now, Unit 3c, the Hijri calendar. Okay. The Islamic calendar is called Hijri calendar. This is because it starts when the Prophet ﷺ made the Hijrah on migration from Makkah to Medina. What do you mean by migration? That go from one place to another. Okay, so it's called migration. There are 12 months in the Muslim calendar. How many months are there in the Muslim calendar? 12 months. Some months are more special because of important events, and some months of Islamic calendar or Hijri calendars are very important, are special because of the important events. Okay, the 12 months of Islamic calendar are in order: Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Thani, Jamadul Awwal, Jamadul Thani, Rajab, Shaban, Ramadan, Shawwal, Dulqad, Dulhaj. Okay, Muharram, important event in Ashura, that is on 10 Muharram. Rabiul Awwal, Miladun Nabi, 12th Rabiul Awwal, birth or death anniversary of Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Rajab, Shab-e Mehraj, 27th Rajab. Shaban, Shab-e Barat, 15th Shaban. Ramadan, fasting, Shab-e Qadar. Shawwal, Eid ul-Fitr, 1st Shawwal. Dhul-Hajj, Hajj, Eid ul-Adha, 10th Zil-Hajj. Okay. Friday, Al-Jummah, is the most important day of the week for Muslim. Jummah is the most important day of the week for Muslim. We offer Jummah prayers together in masjid. We try to prayer or offer all the namaz or all the prayers in masjid, but the Jummah masjid we try to offer all together on in masjid. Okay, now move on to page number 25, exercise corner. This is your homework. Write down the names of the months of Hijri calendar in Arabic and English. Here you are going to write in Arabic, it's written here, copy down here, and here you are going to write in English like Muharram, Muharram spelling is written here. Okay, so all the months in Arabic and in English you are going to copy down here. Now draw a line to match each item in the left column to its correct match in the right column. Left column they have months, and in the right column they have important events, so you are going to match it. Muharram, Ashura, 10th Muharram. Rabiul Awwal, Miladun Nabi 12th Rabiul Awwal, Rajab, Shabbe Mehraj 27th Rajab, Shaban, Shabbe Barat 15th Shaban, Ramadan, fasting, Shabbe Qadr. Shabbe Qadr held on 21st, 23rd, 25th, 27th and 29th of Ramadan. Shawwal, Eid al-Fitr, 1st Shawwal. Dhul Hajj is on Hajj. Eid al-Adha, 10th Dhul Hajj. Okay, so these are okay for today. Till here, inshallah, we will do more work in the next class. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.